Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on KEC International and Kalpatru Projects International. Our analyst recommends buying KEC and Kalpatru to play on the capex upcycle in the transmission and distribution sector in India as well as Middle East and African countries. Further, rise in capex in oil and gas, railways also provide a diversified revenue base for both the players. KEC has a strong order book of Rs 35,000 crore including L1 order and expects Rs 25,000 crore inflows in FY24. Kalpatru Power has an order book of Rs 47,332 crore and expect order intake of Rs 26,000 crore for FY24. Softening of commodity and high margin order would lead to operating profit margin expansion. Stocks are attractive valued at KEC at 17 times FY25 earnings EPS and Kalpatru Power at 11 times FY25 earnings EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.